Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you ready to try a reverse osmosis water system? Let me introduce you to this unit from OnlyPure. It is a sleek under-counter unit, which is tankless, and it gives you on-demand, alkaline, enhanced water through a smart faucet that sits on top of your sink. Now for me, it was the 6-stage filtration system because my water has a ton of chlorine in it, but I also wanted to have important minerals, and with this system from OnlyPure, I get both. The installation was straightforward. You will need to have a power outlet or electrical outlet under your sink because it does require this unit to be plugged in to a power source. And of course, you're going to need a place to put the faucet at the top of your sink as well, because this does have that faucet unit. But other than that, it was an easy installation. The digital readout on both the smart faucet and the unit under the sink really makes this an easy water system to use. And the height of the faucet is great too. It doesn't sound like that would be important, but you're not limited for space. They really give you a high, easy to use faucet that I think looks great in my kitchen. So this unit has been a great option for me. And if you want on-demand, purified, and enhanced water, I highly suggest you give OnlyPure a try. And that is my point of view.